I visited the third graders at Glen Lea Elementary in preparation for our field trip today here at Maymont, and I brought them this little workbook, and we went over what we were going to learn at Maymont, a little bit about streams and macroinvertebrate testing, which is what they're going to do.
So our program is all about wetlands. Does anybody know what a wetland is?
Because we want them to decide if the stream here at Maymont is healthy.
Exactly, they help us recycle our fresh water, right? Do y'all know what a macroinvertebrate is? No.
So they were down at the stream, sort of in the valley of Maymont, and they were using nets to scoop up macroinvertebrates, and that's basically a fancy word for little things that you don't need a microscope to see. And they were trying to see how many they could find, if there were a lot of different kinds, and what that might tell them about the health of the stream.
I found another creature! Where you think I think it's a scud.
Ooh, wait, there goes one right there. Ooh, you gonna touch it? Get it!
This is a scared! I found a whole bunch in here!
What you got?
I found something!
Oh, look at that. You got an infant and a baby.
I found something!
Oh, I see a scud.
Ooh.
Put them in.
Okay.
So if they found a biodiverse amount of organisms, that's one clue that the stream might be healthy.
Oh, right there. Here, get it.
You did it! You did it!
Oh.
Basically, we want to get them to understand that they are a part of their watershed and they can be an active part in protecting it.
So this critter, a scud, has a pouch, and its baby's in the pouch.
We got a salamander over there.
You did? Oh my God.
So with Keep Henrico Beautiful, we really focus on trying to get people to understand that litter and anything that's put on the land ends up in the water. And it ends up in our creeks and our streams and our rivers through stormwater. So that's what we learned in the classroom, and then when they're here at Maymont today, they're actually getting in the water and looking at it. And in the Nature Center, they're visiting the animals that become affected by what we put on the land. Of course, the classroom portion is important, but once you put it in front of them and they get to touch the water, touch the little critters, see what's going on, to me that makes a core memory, because I remember a lot of the field trips I went on when I was in elementary school. So hopefully they'll look back and remember, oh yeah, in third grade we saw the otter in the Nature Center and we collected bugs in the stream, and we're part of this big watershed that all flows into the James River.
Where? Right there! Go get it! It's two of them, actually.